How to take and share in-call photos in Google Meet. Open up the app, then you click on the three lines at the top left corner over here. Next, you are going to click on settings. It opens up 4 options. You have account, calling settings, meeting settings, blocked user. Now you are going to click on calling settings. Now we also have 4 other options: calling account, in-call setting, message setting, notification. Click on in-call setting. Now we have knock for the device, low light, mirror mode, moments, and data saving mode. Now it is moments we need, because if you look at it, moments help you appear in and take in-call photos that are automatically shared with the group. So you turn it on, and that is how to turn it on. Now if you don't want to be able to appear and take in-call photos that are automatically shared with the group, you can simply turn it off. But if you turn it off, you will still appear in screenshots. No one will be able to use Meet Moment to take your picture, but your picture can still appear in screenshots.